Introduction to Teacher Effectiveness and Induction. Orientation to Teacher Induction. The third unit of this course presents an introduction to the teacher induction pathway, which describes a process that enables teachers to regularly implement evidence-based instruction and be guided in their professional learning by the teacher competencies you heard about in the last unit. You'll discover the purpose of beginning teacher induction and the 6 distinct but interrelated steps of the teacher induction pathway. You'll also hear how everyone, whether beginning teacher, mentor, or instructional leader, plays an important role within teacher induction. To accelerate teacher effectiveness and enhance student learning, the Office of Career, Technical, and Adult Education contracted with American Institutes for Research to develop a teacher induction pathway specifically for adult educators. This process supports local adult education programs in building capacity and sustaining evidence-based instructional reform efforts by accelerating the effectiveness of beginning teachers. Teacher induction is designed to meet 3 objectives. 1. Support systemic, continuous instructional improvement in local programs. 2. Support master teachers as they serve as mentors to beginning teachers. 3. Accelerate beginning teachers' ability to use evidence-based instructional practices. Research on induction programs has consistently shown that the teachers who participate in induction programs are less likely to leave the profession and more likely to stay at the same school beyond the first year. Moreover, within the large body of induction program research, mentors have been proven to play a crucial role in accelerating the development of beginning teachers' effectiveness. The induction process involves collaboration among 3 different roles: instructional leaders, mentors, and beginning teachers. The overall time frame for the pathway is estimated to be a total of 9 months, but processes can be adapted for a shorter or longer duration. The induction process is most successful when it begins with the important step of determining program readiness. At the beginning of the teacher induction pathway, a program leader or program leaders must understand what induction is and know whether the program is ready to implement the process. In the next step, which is the planning step, team members do background reading and preliminary planning to build their knowledge of the key concepts of teacher induction, as well as the specific processes that are part of the Adult Education Teacher Induction Toolkit. Then, the mentor and beginning teacher or teachers learn about key concepts in evidence-based instruction and take 2 online courses. After they have completed the work of learning about evidence-based instruction, the mentor and beginning teacher plan for the continuation of the induction process, setting goals, and developing a professional learning plan. Once they have gained a strong understanding of the concepts they will be implementing, both the mentor and beginning teacher apply what they have learned. This stage lasts many months, and during this time, the mentor and beginning teacher engage in classroom demonstrations, observations, and reflections, and continue to refine the professional learning plan. Finally, in the last step of the teacher induction pathway, the mentor and beginning teacher engage in reflection and ongoing planning for their professional learning. Here are a few examples of differentiated activities according to the individual's role. Instructional leaders will fulfill a vital role in identifying and removing potential barriers by providing substitutes or planning time, clarifying program priorities, providing continual support, and so forth. Mentors will be focusing on providing demonstration lessons, which others observe, and also on conducting classroom observations and giving feedback. Beginning teachers will be engaged in viewing classroom demonstrations of evidence-based instruction in action and in being observed and receiving feedback. And as you can see, in some phases there are activities in which everyone is involved. For example, this online course you are taking provides an introduction to teacher effectiveness and induction for instructional leaders, mentors, and beginning teachers alike. If you like, you can download a copy of the Teacher Induction Pathway, shown here, by clicking on the Teacher Induction Pathway PDF, which appears in the Course Resources area of this course. Pause for a moment now to reflect on your own role and whether you see yourself fitting into this Teacher Induction Pathway. Think also about some beginning teachers or mentors you know and where they might be in using evidence-based instruction in their classes. This concludes this presentation. Please exit this presentation and take the unit quiz to check your comprehension. Successful completion of the quizzes is a requirement for a certificate of course completion.